Hello everyone, my name is Nanika. Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. Now today I'm going to do a Diwali makeup, or even you can call it as a festive makeup because it's appropriate for like even for a wedding season or even for a festival look. And yeah, without much further ado, let's get started. So first I'm priming my face using this DIY primer plus setting spray, and this is homemade and 100% chemical free. If you want to see a video how I made this, so you can check my previous video. I made a fully in-depth video on this one. I will let it dry for some time and then I'll be back. It acts as a primer too because it has little bit glycerin in it, so it will stick the makeup, it will stick the base to your face. I'm going to use a primer from Swiss Beauty. This is a glow primer. It named as Real Makeup Base Highlighting Primer, and it has, for disclaimer, it has little bit of glitter particles, not chunky but it has. And if you want in-depth review about it, I made a previous video on this comparison with a Wet n Wild dewy primer, so you can get every information in that video. After that, I am straight moving on to foundation, and for that I am using Matte and Poreless Fit Me foundation. After foundation, I will hide my dark circles, so for that I am using Colorescence HD foundation stick. It has like a peachy color, so it hides my dark circles very well. Concealer, I am using this Maybelline Insta Age Rewind Eraser. Till then I will complete my eyebrows till the concealer is getting settled. Now for eyebrows I am using Miss Claire eyebrow pencil. Using Mega Clear gel from Wet n Wild to set my eyebrows in place. This is an optional step. Now I'm going to blend my concealer. Now I'm going to set my face using little bit of powder. You can use any powder you want to. Now taking little bit of loose powder, and I will let it set under my eyes because it's time to do my eyes. If there is any fallout, it will catch it, and also it will brighten my under eyes. Now for eyes, today I am going to do something matching to my dress. So I am going to use Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette, and from that I am going to use first this color. I will place it on the outer corner of my eyes and then blend it inwards. Blend this color with the crease, so I'll be using this color over here. So you can build the color till the amount of pigmentation you want. So this much is okay, and lastly I will increase if I want more color. Okay, now so this is going to be a cut crease eyes. So I'm going to cut the crease. So I'm going to use the same concealer I used before. I'm going to cut till the half of my eyes, and if you are not clean with the cut crease, then it's also okay. Using your fingers, blend the corners with the eyes. So I'll be using this color top over here, this color. I'm going to put it all over my eyes. We need to pat it. I told you to do a rough cut crease. If you want to go with a sharp one, you can get a sharp cut crease look, but I don't like that kind of eyes where we have sharp eye cuts. With a half cut crease smudge line, so you can't see from where it starts and where it stops, so that's why I like this blended kind of cut crease. Now we'll intensify more outer corners. So I'm using my fingers to do that because it will make it more cleaner look. Now lastly I will blend using the same brush. Next I'm going to dust off this excess powder. Let's move on to our eyes, first completing that. So for extra blinginess I'm going to use this Swiss Beauty Diamond Dust liquid eyeshadow. I'm going to put a little bit so there is a silver and golden sheen going on. Okay, you have to work fast with it cause it dries in a second. This has done a great job. This has created like more glitteriness to the eyes, and this is really looking so good. It's available in so many shades. I'm going to sure use that in more videos ahead. Next I'm going to put eyeliner. So I'm going to use Lakme Insta eyeliner. Let's do the lower lash line. So I'm going to use the same red color on my outer V, only on my outer corner, still here. Lastly, I'm going to apply false eyelashes. This is an optional step. If you want to go with applying these eyelashes, you can go, otherwise that's okay. Now after applying eyelashes, now my eyes are fully completed. Let's go move on to the face. Let's complete the face now. So for face I am using the Sivana Colors Ultra Blush palette, and from that I'm going to do the contour and the blush. Always contour your face in like this way. If you have like a cheeky you have such a broad face like mine, or you are having a chubby cheeks, always contour in like this direction, so it will make your face look more longer. Moving on to applying the blush, I'm going to use this pinky neutral shade from here. I'm going to swirl it like this, pushing it back to my hairline. I will not bring the blush till here. So after applying blush, so for highlighter there is a new product, and that's a Precious Petal from Wet n Wild. Looks like this. Now for that I am using my fingers to apply this. Such a beautiful highlighter. This is so beautiful. So I'm going to apply this LET Nude Fix lipstick. I'm going to fix my makeup using this Wet n Wild makeup fixer. So I completely forgot to apply mascara on my lower lashes. I don't know why it's not going into my this ears. I think it has blocked. I need to work out just only with one jewelry. That's how I completed my look with one earring. And if you find this look helpful and this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and also share this video to your friends. Help me, support me to grow this channel more I can, and I will surely take out more time in making more videos for you. Thank you so much for watching the video, and happy Diwali.